Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one drop-dead gorgeous 1956 Ford pickup truck. This baby's got a 460 under the hood, Ford Racing. It's got Cobra Jet heads on it. It's got a big old 800 CFM carburetor sitting on the top. And take a look at these flames. You want to talk about custom? These flames are unbelievable. I tell you what, the guy that did the flames on this thing was a real artist. They look like alligator or lizard skin or something, man. You can really see the pattern in the green, and it actually goes up into these other colors also. It gets lighter and fades off into nothing. It is absolutely beautiful. And of course, buried underneath the clear, you cannot feel it at all. Beautiful job. And the hood tilts forward. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can check out about 100 pictures of this truck on the website. We'll have pictures of the hood up. We're going to have pictures of the motor, pictures of everything you need to see. Now check out this interior also. Beautiful work on the interior. Got flames on the door panels there. Gorgeous. Great looking dash, great looking paint in there, great looking upholstery on the seats, everything looking sweet. This thing's even got a roll bar. See it tucked back in there, nice and neat. Beautiful workmanship on that roll bar. They did a gorgeous job building this truck. I tell you, they took a lot of time and effort and thought putting the truck together. Look at that bed too, man. Beautiful. Extra wide rear fenders to get that rubber under there. I'll tell you what, that 514 putting out a bunch of horsepower, so it needs a bunch of rubber to put that horsepower to the road. And check out this gate. It has got custom latches on this gate. Isn't that sweet? Man, that thing looks good. And look at that oak. Beautiful. Great job on this truck. And then I love the tail lights tucked into the extra wide rear fenders. She's a beauty, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beauty. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then the first thing we do when they get here to the shop is inspect them so we can answer every one of your questions. So call at 248-974-9513. Tom will answer any question you have about this truck. Now, if you want close-up pictures of anything like these beautiful flames, you just call Tom. He'll get you any close-ups you need of any one of the vehicles here at Vanguard. Right now, we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we're buying anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month. Now, I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I'm using all of those years to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take our 56 for a ride. We'll call this the Alligator Mobile. Big horsepower under the hood. It's ready to go, guys. You want to talk about show truck? We got big horsepower. We got beautiful restoration. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. And I tell you what, my favorite motor just happens to be very similar to the same motor that's in my car. Love it. Fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. 56 Ford pickup with big horsepower, custom flame job, rotisserie restored, big tires, ready to go. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live. Just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. Look down here at the dash. Everything you need right down here. Everything's working. Looking good. Feeling good. Man, that thing's sweet. Handling good. Sitting on airbags. And when you want to go, just hit that accelerator. This baby will go. Now we are close to the airport here. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, but we do invite you to please come in and take a look at our inventory. We encourage you to come on in and take a look at our inventory. We're always bringing in new cars. We're getting in about 40 new cars. We're always buying. We travel all over the United States buying cars. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're going to put it up on the lift for you right now. I'm going to put the hammer down. I love it. All right, we're underneath this beautiful truck, and man, the engineering is amazing. Look at that tank. Look at those welds. Look at the paintwork on the frame. Look at the finish on the wood, the fuel fill, the airbags, the paint on the 9-inch Ford housing, and look at the size of that 9-inch housing. Man, that is one of the badass housing. It's even got loops to tie it down on the trailer. We got a sway bar here. We got disc brakes and even the parking brakes hooked up. We got a 4-link with the link bars all polished up. Man, this thing is sweet. Right around a 350 gear in here, and it is posi. The drive shaft's painted up, man. The paint job on the drive shaft's gorgeous. Now the parking brake, sweet job hooking the parking brake up too, man. It is beautiful. Look at the way this thing is built. Looks like a bridge, man. The frame is amazing on this thing. Look at all the cross members going this way, that way, diagonal braces, beautiful. Now, the rear fenders are fiberglass on the truck. The running boards are custom made and they are steel. Love the exhaust system, the way they did it. They got these flanges here, so everything unbolts. So if you ever need to take this out of here, easy to come out of here. Big old drive shaft loop in here too. Again, more cross members. C6 transmission here. Everything under here gorgeous. Of course, big old 460 up front here, I should say 514. Airbags holding up the front. We got, looks like stainless lower control arms, upper control arms, airbags holding it up. Disc brakes up here also, sway bar up here also. It looks like this frame is probably custom front to back. 3-inch exhaust here too. Batteries mounted right here. We do have fiberglass fenders in the front also. Or wait a minute, those are steel. Those are steel fenders. They're just coated on the back side, just like those fiberglass fenders in the back were. Let's see. Everything up here is painted up nice. They even got hooks up here to tie it down. We do have rack and pinion steering. Looks like the whole setup up here is all heights. I see the sticker right up here. We got our fuel regulator here, our power steering pump right here for our power rack. Everything gorgeous on this truck, man. Beautiful, beautiful job. I tell you what, you're gonna be proud of this one. You're gonna wanna get some mirrors. You're gonna wanna slip them underneath this truck and show off all the engineering on the bottom side of this truck. 255/70/15s. Look at all the paint work on the inside of those wheel wells there. Beautiful. Anybody that spends that much time painting the inside of the wheel well, you know they did a good job on the rest of it. And back here, this is where the horsepower is meeting the road right here. And these babies are brand new. We put these babies on the truck. Let's see. 390 45 15s. Biggins. Those are some awesome wheels. Got some lightweight weld racing wheels there too, and the polish on that aluminum's great. And look at that. Right there's where the music's coming out. Beautiful, beautiful work. Well, we're gonna lower it down and see what's making the music. All right, under the hood here, my favorite motor, 460 Ford Power, baby. We got aluminum Ford heads on here, 514 weighing intake. It says 870, big old 4-barrel sitting on top, AC, everything's polished, everything's aluminum, jet coated headers, aluminum radiator, and look at my buddy up here. Man, can you imagine the talent that it takes to make that mural? I tell you what, this truck is amazing, guys. And then they polished up the firewall here. Isn't that sweet? We got jump lugs here, so if you need to jump the battery, nice and easy. You don't have to worry about that battery being underneath the truck. The dipstick for the transmission's right here where it's easy to get at. Guys, this is a sweet ride. Take it anywhere, win a show, take it to the drag strip, whatever you want. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.